Here you have 23 odds for you today, total of 15 matches under market, mostly under 3.5, under 4.5 market. Let's get started. The first game here is a game in Chinese Super League where Kwando is taking on Meiza. My prediction is under 4 goals. And then the next one here is a game in the Poland division where Wisla Prague is taking on NKP Kodwika. My prediction is under 4.5 goals. Next one we have is a game in Chinese League One where Nantong Zuyun is taking on Shandong Taishan. And my prediction is under 4.5 goals. Still in Chinese League, a game between Xiajiashun taking on Jiangji, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. Next one we have is a game between AC Hosen taking on Fredrikstad in the Norway division, or rather Denmark division, under 4.5 goals. Next one we have is a game between Wayside Celtic taking on Westford in the international friendly, under 4.5 goals. Another one we have here is a game between Hill taking on Helbro and in the Norway division, under 4 goals. Okay, guys, kindly hit the like button and then share this video with your friends. Then drop a comment. I'm interested or forward today. Sure to us for you. Okay, guys, moving on, we have a game between Deportivo Satani taking on CD Locareta. My prediction is under 3.5 goals. Next one we have here is a game between FC Luzern taking on Servette. And my prediction is under 4 goals. Then the next one we have is a game between Lucerne Sport taking on Basel, under 4 goals. Next one we have a game between Slovakia taking on Slavia. My prediction here is under 4 goals. Next one we have is a game between Coupon Polusura taking on Lazio, and my prediction is under 4 goals. You find this game in Finland division. Then the next one we have is a game between Maribor taking on Domzai in the Serbia league, and then my prediction is under 4. Moving on, we have a game between Freiburg taking on Brøndby, and my prediction is under 4 goals. Last game we have is a game between TSC Baka taking on FKIMT Novi, and my prediction is under 4 goals. That game you find it in the Serbia League, and that is all the games we have for today. This is the booking code for those people using Sportsbet. If you want to join VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll add you to the VIP platform. Remember, it's not a free service. It's not pay after. It's pay before. So have your money at hand before you chat me up. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later after the game.